tonight, metro area school districts are examining their reopening policies after Missouri changed its rules for students, teachers, and staff exposed to COVID-19. Good evening. I'm Haley Harrison. Any exposure to COVID-19 used to require a 14-day quarantine, but now Governor Parson announced if the infected person and the exposed person both wore masks, the exposed person does not have to quarantine unless they're showing symptoms. The new guidance still requires the person who tests positive for COVID-19 to isolate at home. The change is because too many students, teachers, and staff, they say, are out sick.
The large number of students and school staff members required to quarantine has presented a significant strain on educators, school leaders, and Missouri families alike.
A new reaction tonight from local school districts. For now, many say that they will keep their existing policies and continue working with local health departments. KMBC 9's Brian Johnson reports educators have homework for parents.
Make new Thanksgiving and holiday plans. That's the plea from educators.
What I'm asking for is people like my sister-in-law to step in and say, I'm not sure it's a good idea that we do this in person.
Smithville Superintendent Todd Schutz says in-person celebrations could result in totally virtual learning.
And in our district in Smithville on Monday, we had 7 unfilled substitute positions, and 4 of them was in one school.
Staffing is a challenge. Districts are seeing significant increase in COVID-19. Many students and staff are sick and in quarantine.
It's still manageable. But with the rising numbers, it certainly got our attention. We're keeping an eye on that.
Most districts, Smithville, Liberty, Blue Springs, Park Hill, Lee Summit, all say they're reviewing Governor Parson's new quarantine guidance.
We're sorting through that right now.
Educators' primary goal is to keep students in person. They've taken precautions to keep learning safe, and it's the best academically.
I'm very grateful to our staff, first of all, for how hard they've been working in teaching in this environment, and I'm grateful for our students for following the protocol.
He says in-person class requires masks and social distancing outside of school. Brian Johnson, KMBC 9 News.
The Jackson County Health Department says that it will stick with the CDC's guidelines. The Clay County Health Department says it's evaluating the new recommendations. Kansas City, Missouri Mayor Quinton Lucas says that masks are really the best way to slow the spread of the virus, but that they are not a substitute for proper quarantine measures. The mayor says based upon the advice of our health director and given the increasing uncontrolled spread of COVID-19 in our community, we respectfully cannot recommend schools in Kansas City follow the updated non-quarantine guidance shared from Jefferson City today. Douglas County, Kansas health officials say people are letting their guards down and cases are spiking as a result. The county now has a 13.8% positivity rate, and the 14-day moving average of new cases has grown from 17 cases a day to 44 in the last month. Beginning tomorrow, the Douglas County mass gathering limit will shrink from 45 to 15 people. People over the age of 5 will still be required to wear masks in all indoor spaces. And Lawrence, Kansas schools are adjusting reopening plans based on the latest spike. Tonight, the school board decided to continue with the current hybrid learning model and proceed with athletics and activities as planned. Now, the only exception is wrestling because it cannot be done safely without a mask.
That's not to say that there's not going to be risk. There's going to be risk no matter what we do with this pandemic, but we have to weigh that risks as it comes to the community risk.
School leaders say when it comes to the coronavirus, they have had to learn as they go, and they will keep refining their plans. More than 300 confirmed cases of COVID-19 reported in Kansas City tonight. That's a total of more than 17,000 since this pandemic began. Johnson County also topping 18,000 total cases tonight. And we're now seeing a higher number of hospitalizations every single day compared to the week before. Kansas City medical experts say a coronavirus vaccine won't be widely available until spring or even later, and healthcare workers would likely be among the very first to get it. Doctors say they're encouraged by the Pfizer vaccine's 90% effective rate, but they warn that even if it gets that emergency use authorization in December, public distribution's a long way off.
EUA is approved, and we have their release of, say, 30 million doses, which would only cover 15 million people.
The Pfizer vaccine requires 2 doses given 1 month apart. And the University of Kansas Medical Center and Children's Mercy are working with AstraZeneca on a coronavirus vaccine. Beginning this week, a mobile unit will be used to bring the vaccine trial to underserved and high-risk groups. It's scheduled to make stops at Truman Medical Center, Health Partnership in Olathe, and sites in Wichita.